I recently came by the service information nugget when I was looking at the brake pad recommendations for a BMW 1 Series. They were talking about installing the new brake pad and servicing the caliper bracket. They said never use a wire wheel or a file on the lands that carry the brake pads that the brake pads move back and forth on. Very critical information. They also said that those surfaces are coated with a corrosion-resistant coating that prevents corrosion from causing the pads to seize in the caliper bracket. This applies to almost every single caliper bracket that you're working on. Going after a caliper bracket with a bench grinder could remove corrosion-resistant coatings on replacement brake caliper brackets. Take, for instance, this new replacement brake caliper bracket. It already has a corrosion-resistant coating. So for the next brake job, if they go wild with a file or a wire wheel, they can remove this coating, and that may cause corrosion down the road, and the next brake job might not last as long. So what's the message here? Well, make sure that you take care when you're servicing a caliper bracket. Do not remove any of the corrosion-resistant coatings that may be behind a piece of hardware or coming in direct contact with the brake pad itself. When you do this, well, you're reducing the life of the brake job and potentially causing uneven brake pad wear. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.